In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix household problem on a mobile device. So if you're encountering a error screen that does say your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account, then here are some things that you guys could do in order to fix it. So number one is you want to connect to your home Wi-Fi. So Netflix uses your home Wi-Fi to identify your household. So you need to connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your primary TV or streaming device used for Netflix. So if you're using something like mobile data, that is actually going to cause issues. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select over here where it says connections in your settings, just like so. Then where it says Wi-Fi, you want to make sure that you are on the correct internet. You want to make sure that the Wi-Fi is the same Wi-Fi used on your primary TV that you usually use in order to actually watch Netflix. And unfortunately, if you're using something like mobile data or a VPN, that could be causing some issues, guys. So you really want to make sure that you do use your home Wi-Fi. And again, when it comes to VPNs, you still are able to watch like Netflix, of course, using a VPN, but you won't be part of your household. So that is an issue, guys. Another thing that you guys could do is go ahead and close and then reopen the Netflix application. Also, while you're here, please make sure you have the most recent and up-to-date version of Netflix. So check the App Store if you're on iOS or the Google Play Store if you're on Android for any updates, because outdated versions may actually cause errors. But what some people actually have reported is by using airplane mode. And some people say that whenever you go ahead and actually turn on airplane mode, but you still have your Wi-Fi activated, like for example, we press on airplane mode and then we still keep our Wi-Fi actually turned on, that is actually going to fix the issue. So go ahead and try to see that. There have been some reports of that actually working, guys. So I want you to go ahead and give it a shot for yourself. But those are some things that you guys could do in order to fix this problem. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.